Hello guys, this is Manoj here, your moral science teacher, and today we're going to talk about how to create your own personalized affirmation. So I happened to get a message in my WhatsApp saying that, hey, can you talk about affirmations and how to create my own affirmations? So to give you a gist about what affirmations are, I'll tell you, we always speak with ourselves. So there's this internal chatter that happens in our mind every now and then. If you decide to buy a product, there's a chatter which goes into your mind like, do you really want this product? Where will I keep this product if I buy it? If you're shopping online, if you're going into a store, this chatter happens 24/7. To buy a product, to see this particular video, even right now, there might be a chatter which is happening in your background. Why is this person wearing always black? Why is he showing off the MacBook? Right? So this happens 24/7. If it is healthy, if you're having a quality conversation happening in your mind, you will have a beautiful life. So nothing around you changes, but if your internal chatter changes, the whole life starts to change. Do you remember when you got that proposal? Like when a person really proposed you, or a person who said like, hey, you're looking good. And for the next 15 to 20 minutes, it was ultimate bliss. Everything that you saw was rainbows and sunshine, and it was so beautiful, right? But everything was the same. How you perceive them changed. So that 20 minutes of ecstasy that you got, if you want to extend it, you should use affirmations. So how do we change this affirmation? How do we change this internal chatter which is happening inside our mind? Let me tell you, if we start to think not to think, that's exactly what we are going to think. So let me share you a story where there was this doctor who suggested a patient, drink this medicine to cure your disease, but when you're drinking this medicine, never think about monkey. And he got this medicine and he came home, and when he was about to drink the medicine, he saw a monkey who was sitting on top of his hands. He was like, not right now. He kept it down. After 1 hour he was about to drink, and he started seeing monkeys everywhere. In his bed, in his chair, everywhere monkeys were there. He came running to the doctor saying that, doctor, I can see only monkeys. So the crux of the story is, when the doctor said not to think about monkey, everything that you think about was monkey. Right now, even in your mind, there should have been a story which ran in your mind, right? So that's the power of affirmations. You cannot remove darkness. You can only invite light into it. So there's no way to remove this negativity, but you can invite positivity inside your mind. So how do we do that? First of all, I want you to write down what are the problems that you're facing in this life right now. So pause this video right now, take a piece of paper and write down 5 things which you thought should have happened this way, but it's not happening the way that you thought it should. Just write those 5 things down. Pause this video. If you've written these answers, right now what I want you to do is just write the opposite of it. So let me give you an example. When I wrote my affirmations, I was writing, I am not at my natural frequency. The opposite of that was, I am at my natural frequency. I wrote, my path is not clear. The opposite of that, what I wrote was, my path is crystal clear. I'll just put my affirmations here so that you can look at these things, but you are not supposed to copy these. You should write the exact opposite of the problems that you wrote. So pause this video and just do that. Great. So right now you have your personalized affirmations. What I want you to do is just take a photo of this, or if you know Canva, just put it into it and just take a screenshot or download it as an image and save it in your phone. After meditation or after waking up, just open this image and read it out loud. For me, it is I am at my natural frequency. My path is crystal clear. I am super lucky. I love money and money loves me. I am a spiritual millionaire. I say these statements after meditating. So, what happens when you start to do this? You are rewiring how you think. So, the moment next time when you think about my path is not clear, I start to say to myself, my path is crystal clear. So, that's it for today, guys. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.